In this video, I'm gonna teach you how to use your Halifax card on phone. It's a very quick and easy process, so make sure to follow along. If you have a digital wallet, for example, the Google Pay wallet or your Apple wallet, you will be able to set up your Halifax card to be used with Google Pay and Apple Pay. That way, you can use your phone to issue payments contactlessly. In order to do this and use your Halifax card on phone, all that you have to do is add it to the specified wallet. So, if you are doing this process on an Android device, open the Google Pay wallet on your phone and you will be able to tap the option to add a card. Usually, this will be located at the home screen or by tapping the plus sign. When you select that option, you have to manually input the details about the Halifax card, so input the card number, the expiration date, and the security code, and the name, and the card will be successfully attached to your Google Wallet. Afterwards, you can use the card whenever you issue a payment with Google Pay, as it is going to be available as a payment method. If you are doing this process on an iOS device and you have access to the Apple Wallet, simply open your wallet and once again tap the plus sign that you can find at the top right corner of the screen. By tapping the plus sign, you will see the option to add a new debit or credit card, and once again, like I said previously, input the details about the Halifax card, so the 16-digit credit or debit card number, the expiration date, security code, and your phone name as is in the card. Once you are done with this process, the card will be attributed to the digital wallet, and once again you can do the same things as you did with Google Pay. You can use it for contactless payments or pay online when you select the option to pay with Apple Pay. As long as the card is attached to a digital wallet, you will be able to use your Halifax card on your phone to issue and make payments. I hope I was able to help you on how to use your Halifax card on phone. If this video helped you, please be sure to leave a like and subscribe for more quick and easy tips. Thank you for watching.